Good day, viewers!
This dairy farm has been operating for 21 years. It has a total of 40 cattle, 2 breeders, 15 milking cows, 10 calves, and 13 heifers. Some cows were sold since we only maintain good milking cows. Basically, our objective in the farm is to produce milk and cattle fattening, specifically for male cattle. They are sent to our cattle fattening farm. They are fed to increase their weight, and after some time, when their body mass is qualified for selling, then they are sent to the market for sale at a fair market price. Dairy farming can be a good source of income if managed properly. It requires commitment since our goal is to increase and maintain milk production. We have to feed them consistently. Please consider to subscribe to our channel for basic procedure for dairying, tutorials, and milking. Thank you.